Hi everyone, I have coarse, thick, frizzy, unmanageable hair. But look at this. It is soft, manageable, wavy, really curly. And y'all, I live in the South. It is hot and humid and very dry here. So not having crunchy hair and having beautiful curls and waves is unheard of down here. But let's get into how I got this. Hello everyone, this is Pjs Thriving, and I have found some products that I absolutely love. I'm 52 years old. Most of my life, I never had to much of my hair. I always kept it long, and because it's thick, it's also heavy. What's happened, I've cut it and used the thinning shears too, so I've thinned it out, and it's like waves, and it just waves right up. Could never get it to stay that way, so what ended up happening was it would go in a ponytail and get stuck in a knot, and I've been wearing my hair like that for quite a few years now. I've been watching some YouTube videos, and I started using these products this past week, and I'm in love. I found some techniques and a hair diffuser, and wow, where have I been? How come I didn't find this stuff sooner? But I used 3 products. I used the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, and it is the leave-in conditioner cream. And then I used the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair moisturizing curl activator cream. Then I used Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair wave whip curling mousse, and then I scrunch it, and then I use the hair diffuser, and wow. And I have just been in awe for the last few days because my hair has not been frizzy, it's not been a hot mess, and it's been soft. It's not weighted down and crispy, because in order for me to get any kind of hold or for my hair to stay, whoa, did I have to use a gel and hairspray, like tons. Let me show you this. I just washed it. And now, because I have cut it, but I naturally have some wave in my hair. Now, I don't like raking through my hair with combs and brushes real bad, because it just makes me really completely frizzy. So I'm going to start with the leave-in conditioner. I'm going to start with the ends, and I'm actually, you see, I just take a glob, rub it in my hands, and then I'm going to start on the ends. And then I'm going to work it way up the hair. I have also learned you don't have to use a whole lot. It helps keep my hair from drying out so bad. And it smells so good. It's like a coconut, almost kind of like a pina colada. So, now I'm going to use this moisturizing curl activator cream. The directions say apply to damp hair section by section. Reapply to dry hair as needed for additional moisture. Let's section it like down the middle, down the back, and then I'll just take this section right in half. And section that up for a minute. It does not take a whole lot of this either. And you see it's not real heavy, it's kind of creamy. It leaves my hair soft. I don't have any crunchies at all. I am just absolutely in love with this stuff. I have learned that you live in the South where it's really humid. Now the humidity hasn't started yet, but it's very dry. So keeping your hair moist helps control some of that frizzies in it from getting a lot extra breakage. All right, that's that half. Now let's do this half. It smells so good. Just makes me want to drink a pina colada. All right, and we'll take this, stick that up there. Just make sure I get it in all of my hair. You can hear that. Plenty moisture in there. Don't want it to be dry. My hand's slippery. All right. It is all the way through my hair now. This is the Wave Whip Curling Mousse. It defines waves and curls without the crunch. And it says, apply to wet hair, then scrunch hair upward toward the scalp. Hold and release, and you can allow hair to air dry or to use the diffuser. So I'm going to do that, and then we're actually going to use the diffuser. So again, section off the hair. That's the top. It looks like it's liquid in the bottle, but it's actually mousse. I do 3 pumps of the mousse. One, two, three. That's about all I've been needing. Okay, we'll do some from the top. There we go. This has been the easiest I have ever in my life been able to styling anything, because my hair's just been long and thick and I have coarse hair, so I just never thought there was much that I could do because it's been so thick that I didn't want short hair, so I kind of have not done hardly anything with my hair. It's really, really moist. It's not dripping wet or anything, you can just feel. Even with my hair, before I found these products, I would scrunch and I wouldn't get this much curl. All right, so I'm gonna diffuse on the low heat, and this diffuser I got fits a 1.4 inch to a 2.5 or 2.7 inch hair dryer. I didn't want to buy a whole new hair dryer and a set together. So I got a universal one, and this one just kind of opens up. You put it on your hair dryer and it closes in. So we'll do that. Oh, I can't see if I can do this with one hand. My hair dryer fits in there, right in there like that, and then I let it go. And it stays on there. All right, you put it on low heat. Just take the hair and go right over there. Now this is not all the way dry. Look how curly. Do I want to go with it? I'm assuming. But look at that. Oh, it's like curly curly. I've always wanted my hair to be really curly, and this is just awesome. Oh my God, it's so awesome. Now, all the products that I'm using, I got off of Amazon. And I'm leaving all the links down below. So click on it, go check it out. Oh my God, look how it is beautiful. My hair has never been this curly before, never been this wavy before, and I am in love with it. So it is a go for me. That is so easy and fast for me to be able to do that I might be able to start coming up with some hairstyles and hairdos instead of just having that bun on the top of my head, which has been there forever. And it is not all the way dry yet. So if I go back in and I do it more, it'll be even more volume and more. And look at it, it's not frizzy. Look at that, it is not frizzy at all. And those are almost like, besides a little piece like this, it's like curls. It's not just a little wave. So I am so excited. Please click on the link below. It'll take you to Amazon. Try out the product. They're not real expensive, so you will not be disappointed. Now, by clicking on the Amazon product in my description below, if you decide to purchase the product, I will get a very small commission, but it has nothing to do with any kind of an increase in your price. The price is the price, and it stays that way for you guys. So I'm in love with this product, and I only share and promote the products that I actually use and that I can actually show you that I'm using. And if you go back and look in some of my videos, you'll see how bad my hair looked compared to this. And that is a huge difference. And I am just in love with it. I'm sold. I love the Cantu Shea Butter. I'm sold. I'm gonna continue getting it. And the same with the hair diffuser. I've seen commercials and I've seen other people using them, but never thought my hair would do this well with it. So, and that's easy, it's done. It didn't take me very long. So, thumbs up for me. Try the product, guys, you'll like it. And until next time, please wear a mask, stay safe. Have a great week. Bye, everyone.